iPhone 12 PM. Matrix external cable replacement operation. This is an iPhone 12 PM with iOS 18.1 that cannot use Face ID. Turn off the phone and remove the front camera. Take out the Lubin L3 repair instrument. Plug in. Matrix activation expansion board will automatically jump to the relevant page. Attach the front camera to the expansion board. Detection display fused error. It can only be activated in the fused state. Activation successful. Take out that matrix external cable. Snap the camera with the cable installed on the expansion board. Snap the camera with the cable installed on the expansion board. Detection display normal. Plug in the mobile phone data cable too. Connect the mobile phone. Detection display bind. Detection display right search success. Detection display exists data. Install the front camera back on the phone. Face ID has been repaired successfully.